Okay, hello. I'm here at the Acura dealer in Albuquerque, Montano Acura. What I'm going to do is give a demonstration on the Acura, the ELS surround sound 3D. We'll check out the speakers. Okay, the system supposedly has 16 speakers. Okay, now we're going to show you the 4 speakers that are on the roof. Okay, now, so I contacted the people through the ELS studio, the people that actually work for them. They gave me some formats that are going to play surround sound because the new RDX does not have a CD player, and the people who really want the DVD audio and the DTS CDs, the surround sound, how are we going to play that? So here's some DVD audio discs, CDs. So I contacted the ELS studio and they told me that there's some formats that actually play surround sound in the RDX with the 3D. So, but anyway, if you look over here, I got Steely Dan. I have that converted to a 5.1 2448 surround wave file. So let's turn it up and hear what we got. I got Steely Dan, Hey 19, and it's from the DVD audio disc. Sounds really nice. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let me change to a different track, so bear with me on the card. It's new. This is... Okay, what I have here is 25624. It's from the Chicago Quad album, Blu-ray. And I'll have it converted to a 2448 wave file. Let's hear how that sounds. Okay, and just to let, I don't have any of the music rights to about these songs that these songs that I have loaded in the player. I have no music rights. Okay, this is an audio file. It's the 24 to 48 wave file, 5.1. Steely Dan.
So you better be ready for love. What is
Chicago, You Are Mine from the Blu-ray audio. Unbelievable sound. Okay, this is Dave Cause. It's from the 5.1 DVD audio disc. I have it converted to a 24/48 WAV file. The speakers on the roof are really coming alive. Okay, auto break-in. It's a 2496 WAV file. Okay, that sound seems a little compressed. The WAV file seems a little compressed. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, this is Chicago. Does anybody really know what time it is? It's on the 24/48 WAV file. I have a mark so I know which files are going to sound better. So let's turn it up. Now here's a 24/48 WAV file. Now this is exactly, let me turn this down. Okay, I have the Steely Dan, the DVD audio. Now this is the left front, right front, left surround, rear surround, and you got your center and your subwoofer. Okay, this is from the 24/48 DVD audio, which I've converted to a 20/48 WAV. Beautiful sound.
The surf was easy on the day I came to stay. I'm this quiet.
Okay, now before we conclude this left front, right front, the left surround, rear surround, center and sub, that's exactly what the original DVD audio track looks like when you rip it from the DVD audio and you convert it to the DT or to the 5.1 WAV file. I left that there so we can know what the original file looks like, and we gotta love Alias Shiner for his music producer engineer.